Yes, sir.
What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Thanks for tuning into a brother again. Got a couple things going out. Um, First, got a couple patches going out. Got an Indiana State Parks patch going out. I'll put the comp on the screen because I forget what it went for. And then a couple other patches. Patches do pretty good. And then I got these socks, as you can tell in the beginning of the video. I'm just starting into getting into listing again. Like I said earlier, I didn't list for almost a month because I had socks like crazy. Christmas time and socks is crazy for me. A lot of people get customs and I sell a whole lot. So I try to tune in to just that and put eBay on the back burner a little bit. So anyway, let's get all the stuff out. I got one thing from the office I gotta go pick up, and I might stop over at the bin store today. It's $2 day. All right, so let's go. I'm going to give me 5 for a minute. Sometimes I get a vibe. You know how you go in a place and you get a vibe? You're like, all right, it's going to be all right today. Well, that's how it is with the bin store with me. I get in here, I can kind of see where they got stuff from. Like last time I went, they had a bunch of Dollar General bins. I could tell right off. You know what the tags look like. And I found a couple things, but it took a little bit more digging. Sometimes you go in there and you just know, like, okay, they got some nice stuff today. And you might tend to spend a little bit more time. But I plan on spending like 20 minutes. I got to get in here, go to the post office, come back, do a little jog. It's 2021. I got to get these LBs out for me. The quarantine LBs. You understand what I'm saying? Pounds, for people who don't know what LBs are. So let's go in here and see what they got. this? What did I put in here? I don't know. Listed a couple things. I wish I could do it like that every time. Go out and buy something, come back, list it all, and be done with it. Move on to the next venture. But me, it never works out like that. But I'm trying to do that in 2021. That's why you see me listing everything I had. So let's just get right into it. Got a couple personal items. This orange glows. Got to keep that hardwood nice and smelling good. So I got that for the house. My kids and they crazy hair. Of course, y'all know I got long hair. They got like little froze, all that good stuff. So can't have too many of these around the house. I listed this. This is an old 1080 webcam Fanico. I listed one of these before. These go for about $25. So I got that listed for $25. Of course, y'all know I got a bunch of these. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over there now. Well, I had a bunch of them. I think I bought 18. Look at this mess. I need to get that together. Had 18, I think. Look, how many I got left now? Maybe about 5. And I just happened to find one of these. The cord's messed up, but I listed it for like $13 plus shipping. $2 day. I spent a total of $10.60, and I got 2 personals. All right. This right here, it's a helmet. I've sold a couple of these, all from Gimme 5. This is never got a green one though. I actually listed this one for $30 plus shipping. So I got that. I'm gonna go ahead and do I have another one up here? Did I sell? I used to have a couple up here. I guess I already sold them. Well, let me find a place for that, because right now, as you can see, I gotta move some stuff over. Now, another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. I got 2 items here. This basic tactical folders and this memory foam. Now, I should have did this there, but I was kind of in a hurry. But usually when you see these are Amazon packages, meaning that something's been opened and they reclosed it into this. This was wrapped around like it was new, but it wasn't. So it looked like this been opened and tampered with. And I just don't want to sell. I could sell it as used, but I didn't see too many on there used. Actually wouldn't be worth me selling it used, you know. I don't know if it's used. I'm gonna take it home, maybe wash it. It's actually a nice pillow, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep that for myself. So always watch that. When you see something in a package like this, or not in its original package, open it if you can, which I could have, but I didn't. And check it out. See if it's new, see if it ain't new. I don't believe it's new. It smells new. Don't look used, but this is broken off, so I have to sell it as like pre-owned, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep that for myself because I need a pillow like that anyway. Another thing, I got this Chris Crawford Knives basic tactical folders. I actually looked this up while I was there. Didn't do too much research on it and seen that it was going for pretty good money. This is like a $40 DVD. But what I end up doing, and for those of y'all who don't know, I've been V-rolled once on eBay, and I kind of look out for stuff like this. Like, there was only 3 listings, and it was all being sold by the same person. I looked at some solds, and I seen some was sold, but not too many. And this just seemed like a V-roll album to me. All right, I want to look it up, do more research to see if it is. And I know it's just stuff like that. When it's not that many and all the same sellers selling it, that means if it is a V-roll album, that seller could be turned into other guys that are selling this, and that's the reason why he's the only one on there selling it. So I want to take a look at that, because you just never know, man. There's so many things that's V-rolled. I usually, when I get stuff from the Amazon store or Gimme 5, There's usually Amazon returns stuff that Amazon threw off their site, so eBay's gonna do the same thing for the most part. So I want to check that out just to make sure your boy's getting smart. You know what I'm saying? All right, let me go ahead and pull the item that I had here. I have one item sitting right in here. It's sitting bin E. Let's see, and it is a Speedo. I actually got that at I think an estate sale. It was in a, I forget what it sold for, so I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, good buy. I love little small stuff like this because it's easy to ship. All you gotta do is store it in a poly mailer and it's gone. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna try to be productive in 2021 and list some more stuff. I'm sure I can find some stuff in here to list, maybe 2 more items. I listed 3. I say I got about $60 in profit there, maybe for $10.60 and a 20-minute run. You can't beat that. I could have found some more stuff, but I didn't have time. So with all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.